And welcome back to the channel. We're at Avis, Toronto Airport on a Monday afternoon after a long weekend. Lots of cars coming back here. We'll start things off here with Jeep Gladiator. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And we don't see these Gladiators too often in Canada. I think this might even be the first one I've seen up here in Toronto. It's the Overland trim. North Edition. Yeah, let's see if we can take a peek inside here. Should be on the other side so I can see the mileage on it. Yeah, why don't we just take a quick look here. We don't see these too often up here. 27,000 kilometers, so I guess this one's been around for a while. And we got a couple of BMWs. We got a 5 Series here. Got another BMW, maybe an X2, X1, Audi. I think that's a Q5, maybe an X3, a couple X3s here. Then we got, I think this is one of the 2 Series BMWs. And this one looks like an X1, maybe an X3. And then we got a fairly new Cadillac CT4. It's great to see these kind of coming back. These are all, I think these are upgrades. They're kind of marked in the preferred section, but I think these are all upgrades here. And let's go over, Avis has this upgrades section over here. So we got an Audi SUV, Grand Cherokee, Chrysler 300. There's a bunch of these Chrysler 300s at the airport now. BMW X3, we got a Toyota Prius, another Audi. I can never tell if it's Q3 or Q5. And this, you know, I was having a look at this a little bit earlier. So this one's got this has got some mileage on it. It's got new plates. But it's the first Dodge Challenger I've seen in Toronto for quite some time. So I think it had around 20,000 kilometers on it. It's a V6 model. No sunroof on it. But this is still fairly nice. And I think it's, yeah, so it is kind of an upgraded trim. So it's got the bigger radio in it. It's not the base model that you'll often see in the States. Unfortunately, it smells like somebody smoked in it. You probably want to leave the windows down. There's a smaller Audi. That's probably the Q3. Got a Hyundai. Smaller BMW here. Compact Mitsubishi, Grand Caravan. Ford Escape. Another older Grand Caravan. Hyundai, I think this is a Tucson. This looks like an older Nissan Pathfinder. One of these Mitsubishis is a Hemi Dodge Durango RT. And oh boy, look at this down at the end. You know, I think we should probably do a quick walk through the SUVs. A lot of people are asking about SUVs. Look at that, there's 6. I'm counting 6 Wagoneers here over at Avis. Here's the Ford Expedition that sometimes I call the Excursion. Looking at the wheels, that might be a limited. But anyway, let's take a look at this Wagoneer. I think these might be the first ones in Toronto. Let's have a look at the trim. What do we got? Must be on the other side here. Okay, I'm guessing it's the base. I don't see any anything. Oh, okay, these are locked. Hey, these are brand new. Wow, that looks nice inside. We'll see if any of the other ones are open. Yeah, these are all, I don't even know if I can squeeze through here. Sorry, guys. Oh yeah, this one's still got the plastic on the steering wheel. Okay, so these must have just arrived. CVZ or Z. That's got to be like pretty fresh license plates. Like, yeah, oh yeah, these are all locked. These are all brand new. Oh, somebody's in this one. Okay, so somebody's probably the first person to drive that one. We got a GMC Denali. Got another Wagoneer here. I don't know if this one's unlocked. Oh boy, they got to park so close. Can I squeeze through? Nope, no, it's locked. It's got still got the plastic on the steering wheel. Sorry about that. And we got a Tahoe. These must all be brand new here. And then I think I saw another one down here behind this Suburban. Yeah, we got another one here, but I guess they're all locked up. Anyway, that's great to see. Oh, geez, we got another one here. I'm losing count. What are we up to? 7 of them? Is this one going to be open so we can have a look? I don't know. These are all new. Probably not in the system yet. No, these are all locked. Oh, okay. Well, we quickly walk down. I usually don't walk down this aisle, but let's walk down this aisle real quick while we're here. Got a BMW. I think those are 220s. A VW. Another BMW. Got a Prius. A couple minivans. Hyundai. I think that's the Tucson. A couple more minivans. Ford Escape. Another small BMW. Maybe that's the Tucson there. Okay, we got another Prius, compact. Might be a Chevy Spark, smaller Mitsubishi. Chevy Traverse. Wow, they got lots of these Caravans still kicking around. Hyundai. I'm getting these mixed up. Another Audi SUV, Mitsubishi. Another Hyundai SUV. And we got a couple smaller cars here. Let's go around. Trying to keep track of what side I've done. I don't think I've done the side over here. Somebody's leaving in that wagon here. I should ask them if we can take a quick peek inside. Anyway, great to see those coming in. Okay, so we got the Denali at the end here. You know, this one's probably open. Let's take a quick... Oh yeah, this one's open. Ooh, man, this is nice. Wait for the mileage to come up. I'll kind of quickly show you the interior here while that's coming up. And the mileage didn't come up. Okay, mileage is not coming up. That's all right. It's got the Bose audio. Lots of room in the back. All right. Oh man, it's great to see so many cars here. Again, it's Monday after a long weekend, and same thing over at National. National is like overflowing with cars because they got so many cars coming back today. We got an Audi, we got a BMW, I think that's a 3 Series, at least a couple 3 Series here. Got a Buick. Oh, this is a little bit smaller, the SUV. What is this one here? Envision. Okay, so this is the Envision. Interesting color on it. Yeah, I don't think I've seen one of these yet in the rental lots. 27,000 on it. We got some more minivans here. Another Durango. Got a Mitsubishi. Somebody's leaving in this Hyundai here. And I'll pick things up in the next aisle over on the other side here. Okay, we'll pick things up here. We got a compact Mitsubishi Ford Escape. VW, another small Mitsubishi. BMW, I'm guessing a 1 Series beside a 3 Series X3. There's another, these Gladiators. Interesting. Looks like, that might be a Sentra. Oh, from BC. Okay, and then I think that's the Nissan Kicks. Got a VW, Mazda CX. Hard to tell by the size. That might be a 5, maybe a little bit larger. Got a minivan. Looks like another of these XT4 Cadillacs. Oh, I thought there were 2. Nope. Then a newer Nissan Rogue. Got these Mazda SUVs, Audi. Wow, they got a lot of Audi SUVs. Older Murano here. And let's just go down the other side here. We got a VW. These are Passats. And we got a Honda. That might be a CR-V. Santa Fe. Hyundai Santa Fe here. Got a Nissan Corolla. Mitsubishi here. Smaller Ford SUV, another Ford Escape, a Kia, Honda Civic. Oh, it's a U.S. car. Actually, a couple U.S. cars here. Highlander, and another U.S. 4Runner here. So the U.S. cars, excuse me, the U.S. cars, they typically don't rent out to people just driving around Ontario or Canada. But if you're doing one way to the States, they would more than likely assign you one of those. Okay, we've got another BMW sedan here. That might be a 5 Series. BMW SUV. We got a Prius. I think that's a Santa Fe. And we got a smaller Hyundai SUV. Wow, they got lots of Audis. GMC Acadia. Another VW. Oh, here's another Wagoneer. Oh, let's take a look. This one might be unlocked. It's unlocked. We might get our first look at inside one in Canada. Oh, maybe not. It's still got the plastic on the steering wheel. Oh, it is this one is unlocked. Maybe I wasn't pulling the handle hard enough. Okay, Alpine stereo. 59 kilometers, so that's like 40 miles. Plastic on that. Yeah, I wouldn't mind renting one of these brand new. Definitely has the new car smell. Wow, this is nice. No sunroof. So they must have, I kind of lost count. They must have about 8 of these over at Avis. I haven't seen any at the other agencies yet. Wow, look at all that room. Tons of room. Yeah, if you're looking for like a large SUV, this would be my first choice. Yeah, there it is. What is this? Does this tell us anything here? Series 2. Okay, I'm guessing that's for the all-wheel drive. All right, we got a small. Oh, look at this. It says Wagoneer too. Wow, look at that. Oh, that is awesome. Projection must be coming from the mirror. Okay, let's just do one more aisle and then we'll wrap things up here. It's kind of exciting to see the Wagoneers in Toronto. We've got a Caravan, BMW, Mitsubishi. Lots of these Chrysler 300s coming in new. It's great to see these. Another minivan, Mitsubishi. Another Mitsubishi, a couple more BMWs, and I think we'll wrap things up here. We'll just walk down to the end of the aisle. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, which opens up a couple things for the channel. Allows us to do live streams and a few other things. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and hit that like button. And I think that's it for Avis. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.